Have you ever realized that before you even say a single word, your body is already speaking for you? In a job interview, a first date, or a big presentation, your posture, your eye contact, even the way you move your hands can instantly signal confidence or insecurity. Here's the shocking part: over 70% of communication is nonverbal. In this video, you'll learn how to use simple body language tricks to gain more respect, project confidence, and influence people in any situation. Welcome to For You Mind, the channel that helps you master your mind, your behavior, and your energy so you can live with more clarity, confidence, and balance. Let me tell you about Jake. He was brilliant at his job, full of creative ideas. But whenever he had to speak up in meetings, people just didn't take him seriously. He couldn't figure out why. Until one day, a colleague pulled him aside and said, "Jake, you don't look confident. Your body language tells a different story." It hit him hard. He realized that slouched shoulders, hidden hands, and avoiding eye contact were sabotaging how people saw him. Once he started practicing small, powerful shifts in body language, everything changed. He earned more respect, got promoted, and most importantly, he started believing in himself. That's the kind of transformation you're about to experience too. Now, imagine this: walking into a room, whether it's a job interview, a date, or a meeting, and people immediately feel your presence. They see you as confident, calm, and in control. How much would your life change if your body spoke louder than your words? But here's the flip side. If you ignore this, people may continue to overlook you, misjudge you, or think you lack confidence, even if you're talented and capable. That could cost you opportunities, relationships, and even your self-esteem. The good news? You can change that today, and it starts with what you're about to learn. Most people try to fix this the wrong way. They memorize scripted phrases, force fake smiles, or copy someone else's gestures, but it always feels unnatural, and others pick up on it instantly. At For You Mind, we don't teach you to fake confidence. We show you proven, science-backed body language techniques that help you genuinely feel and project confidence. That's the real game changer. Now, I will introduce you to 6 body language techniques to truly feel and convey confidence in a natural and authentic way. Technique 1: the posture of confidence. Stand tall, open your shoulders, lift your chin slightly. This power posture doesn't just change how people see you, it changes how you feel inside. Technique 2: eye contact that builds trust. Don't look away constantly. Maintain steady, natural eye contact. People who do this are seen as more trustworthy, competent, and confident. Technique 3: the power of your hands. Use open, visible gestures. Show your palms when you talk. Avoid crossing your arms or hiding your hands. That signals insecurity. Technique 4: own your space. Confident people don't shrink. Sit upright, take up space naturally, and use your environment with ease. This signals authority without being aggressive. Technique 5: move slowly with control. Rushed, jittery movements scream nervousness. Slowing down your gestures and movements communicates calm confidence instantly. Technique 6: the strategic smile. A genuine smile builds connection, but don't plaster it on all the time. Smile with intention when it matches the moment. That's how you project authenticity. Here's the truth: your body language is your invisible armor. It's not about memorizing lines or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about aligning your body and mind so your presence speaks louder than your words. When you apply these 6 steps, you'll notice a real shift. People will respect you more, listen to you more, and you'll feel a genuine boost of confidence inside. If this video opened your eyes to the power of body language, hit the like button right now and subscribe to For You Mind. Every week, we bring you tools to master your mind and behavior so you can live with more clarity, confidence, and balance. Here's a quick bonus tip. Practice the 2-second rule. Before you step into any important situation, a meeting, a date, or an interview, pause at the door for just 2 seconds. Take a deep breath, adjust your posture, and enter with calm intention. That small ritual prepares your mind to take control. Today, you learned how simple changes in posture, eye contact, gestures, and movement can completely transform how people see you and how you see yourself. If you want to take this even further, watch this next video. How to look confident without saying a word. 5 simple body language tricks. That's your next step to mastering presence and projecting confidence without even speaking.